Welcome to Old Friends of New Roads. My name's Keith.
My name's Eric.
So, super crazy.
Middle of February.
Middle of February, Super Bowl weekend, and we're going camping.
Yeah.
Just can't believe the weather here lately.
It's just
Just
been
stupid,
beautiful.
but super needed. So, plan is we're heading to the coast. Fort Stevens. It's a good mix of being a really good ride. It's super close for depending on how cold it is, and there's no crazy snow passes.
Right, yeah.
So it's all pretty low level stuff. Yeah, I'm really happy that this is working out.
Yeah, I need it. I need to get out on the bike. So
Yeah.
This is good.
It is. John will be meeting us at camp. He has like a weld test today. So it's just going to be me, Eric, and Kate riding out. Looking forward to hanging with John and just doing the thing again.
Yeah, doing it again. Yeah. Excited.
So excited. So let's get on the bike.
Let's do it.
Somewhere new. Talk about the asshole in the Kia. It's like
Fuck
right from
that
the
guy.
beginning, just
Jesus.
set me off in a fucking bad mood. Started making bad choices, and
I didn't know what the fuck he was doing.
I don't know. He wouldn't make eye contact though when I caught up with him. I was like, fuck, me and Eric should pull him over. But it's helpful for a reminder to like not lose your cool, because it wasn't too long after that I almost rear-ended somebody.
Yeah, that was interesting. I mean, the bike was in the blind spot.
Yeah.
I was blocking it. It just didn't work out.
Trying to switch lanes, and at the last second I was looking back, saw a bike, and then when I looked forward, traffic was stopped. But you know,
Still pulling leather out of my
the riding today, you know, after I kind of calmed down, recentered, beautiful day for riding.
That's amazing. Today is great.
So good.
So nice.
Yeah, so I think the next stop is fish and chips before camp.
Yes, I'm excited.
Me too. Let's get on it.
days washing dishes right now. Soon we'll be in Neverland. Yeah, she shines all the time, like a star on the mic. Don't think that anybody in this town can bring her down, yeah. She calls me baby, ain't that shit crazy? And I feel like I'm on cloud nine. Don't think that anybody in this town can bring me down, yeah. We can chill on my patio, drink some wine, let it go. You're my favorite antidote. Hate it when you're all alone. No more 9 to 5s, we'll never die, 'cause soon we'll be in Neverland. Yeah, she shines all the time, like a star on the mic. Don't think that anybody in this town can bring her down, yeah. She calls me baby, ain't that shit crazy? And I feel like I'm on cloud nine. Don't think that anybody in this town can bring me down, yeah.
Like they had to break them in half.
Well, we're in camp, just getting set up. Just want to show you guys something. So check this out.
We're gonna go over to the fort.
Oh yeah. For you hardcore guys, start freaking out, man. It's supposed to be really cold tonight, and we have one night. We're trying heaters. First time ever. But just looking to be cozy, man. Battery Russell, or part of it. I don't really know. We didn't look at a map or anything. Just start footing it. So
Go inside.
yeah, all right, let's go inside.
Would you see me? I just wanted to know. Let you see to give the water to clean. All I've done is wait for moments to know. Let you see to give the water to clean.
This is cool. I'm ready to get back to camp. Crack a beer, have some Blanton's.
Me too.
Parched. Should be expecting John soon also. Yeah, this would be full with homeless people.
Like tells you what to do. Get the pack in your car and your bike, so you just bring
Duraflames
shit like
and
that.
electric heaters.
Yeah, damn right.
You're done. I didn't see near as many motorcycles.
You say I can't believe we're camping in February.
Woo!
It's crazy. It's
Feels like spring.
record heat
Feels
Yeah.
like spring.
in this time of
Such
this part of the country.
Such a beautiful day. We had a super good day riding. John just showed up, so
Welcome,
we
John.
we
Thank
waited
you.
for this moment just for John. So all friends and new
Old
roads.
friends and new roads.
Woo!
Land's just, it's different in February.
It's
All right.
It is good.
So good.
Yeah.
He's literally over here. I'm hearing him swallow. It's like,
Warming himself up.
I don't know how you do that.